Welcome to Sim Reviews. We are back again with a new unboxing and review of a new phone. This time it's a low budget smartphone. It's not a high end smartphone like we did last time or so. It's a very low budget smartphone intended for the user who want to get the best Android phone while costing a very less costing. So it is the phone launched by Eyeball. The name is Andy Winner Plus. This phone is pretty you can say less costly, and it gives high-end features. So let us first check it out. So here are the features which are mentioned in this. It contains 3.5 screen, 3.5 inch of screen. It contains dual core 1.3 GHz Cortex processor. The RAM is quite less, but it's quite good for the money you spent. It's 256 MB. The internal storage is 2 GB, and it can be expandable up to 32 GB by micro SD card. The camera is also quite good with 3.2 megapixel cameras. That is rear camera, and front camera is also there for video chatting. Battery power is 1250 mAh. Comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and Android, that is KitKat. That is, you can say, the only one version previous, that is Lollipop, and some phones have not got Lollipop also, so other phones are also running on KitKat that are high-end phones. So it's quite good. It is providing this facility of the Android version, and it's contained with dual SIM and FM radio and something. So let us first unbox it. As you can see, the packing is quite simple, just packed in a plastic form. As you can say that it's a low budget phone, so it's not like a high-end phone comes with the great packaging style or a strategy. There is the seal. Okay, so here is the phone, completely wrapped inside the plastic, so it cannot be get scratched. And as you can see on the box itself, it is covered now with the flip cover. The phone is already coming with the flip cover, so it's quite good that it's in such a low budget. They are going to give you a phone with a flip cover and other accessories. Okay, the phone is looking quite good. It's attractive, and it's written like a signature of Kareena Kapoor, so that's something unique. It's a speaker, such camera with a flash, charging slot, the 3.5mm jack, and here there is no such volume key button, I think. Okay, it's this side, left side, up and down button for a volume key. So now let's just check out what we have got in the box. It's the data cable for charging, I think, and data transferring. So it comes with the Eyeball original logo. So data transfer on this. The charging adapter. It's quite nicely packed inside a plastic. It's a normal adapter. And they are also giving us the headphones, so it's quite a lot of accessory with a good quality for such a low budget smartphone. So this phone is going to give you a high range, you can say, the service for very low budget. This is the headphones. It's quite attractive design with a button and jack. Okay, so it's a battery, unique color for a battery. Just check it out. It's giving me some problem while dimming out of the plastic. Okay, so finally here it is. As you can see, 1250 mAh battery with 3.7 voltage and some battery detail specification about the battery. And Else what we have got is just the user manual. And so now let's just keep this accessory aside and just let us start our phone. You have to open it gently by just pressing it on the back. Just take care while opening it because it's very delicate. So it's opening now. Okay, so it's finally opened. So here's the battery, we'll insert into it. Okay, so as you can see the back also, we have got the 2 SIM card slots and a memory card slot. It's a dual SIM phone. There is a 2 SIM card slot and a memory card slot. That's quite good. And as I told you, we can extend the memory till 32 GB. So the storage capacity is also good for the low budget smartphone. So let's just power on the device. So it's booting up. Just let's wait for it and keep this all aside. Okay, so we have kept all the accessories aside and we are waiting for the phone to get booted up. Okay, so now let's just start our review. The unboxing is over. So just check the Android version. To the settings, it's in about eyeball phone. There it is, Android version 4.4.2. It is not a 4.4.4, but still it's good for this phone. It's Android 4.5 as you can see it, and they always used to give some games with it like this. This time it's Grid, and Grid game is just for the sake of time pass. So now moving on with this phone, we can see this just a normal, just the main change we can see this in is the eyeball button is given, means in the place of menu they have written eyeball. So that's the changes they have made. And so other sites is normal. The WhatsApp is already given inside. The torch function is given, as you can see this. Okay, so here it is, you can see the torch. So that's quite good. Then WeChat is also included inside it. YouTube is preloaded. There are many apps which are preloaded inside it. Then that's other apps are with a normal UI also, as they have not got any update till now. Now let's just check the notification bar. Okay, so it's the clear notification bar with the grids. You can see the photo of the owner as you sign in with your Gmail account. And next is the battery percentage, it will show you. The next is settings, location of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and auto rotation also is given directly here. Brightness, the profile which you set. Now let us go into the profile. See, you can see the dialog box for general settings, meeting, outdoor. You can set it normally. The data connection you can on and off. You can click the data usage. You can control your brightness of the phone directly from here. So that's quite good. Again, we'll go into the notification bar. You can see the auto rotate function. So all these are quite a simple function which can be used easily by the one who are unknown to the phone, or for the first time smartphone users, you can say. Okay, so the next feature about the phone is the camera. It contains 3.2 megapixel camera, but it's, I think, enough for capturing images. You can take an example of capturing the image of this pen. Contains with good flash, and I think it's a great image. As you can see it's clear, but if we zoom it more and more, it will give you the blurry effect. Now let us just click one more with more clear effects with more nearby object. this you can see this. If we zoom it more and more, it will give you pixels, as it contains only 3.2 megapixel camera. It comes with the front camera also. So okay, so just due to the light balancing you cannot get it clearly, but it's quite good. Actually a VGA camera, but it's enough for video chatting or sometime taking a selfie or something. Okay, so after discussing about the camera, the last and the next feature about the phone is the inbuilt app with it come with. You can see the different inbuilt apps like synchronized black box or doctor safety. Yeah, that's Kamal Dhamal, eyeball OTA. You know what all these are? The black box. First start with SYS black box. It's nothing but a black box which is found in the airplane or a flight. As we know, the black box is used to carry out the information after any crash or something like that. So it's orange in color basically, but it's called as a black box. So it's same like that. They have used the orange icon for here. You have to enter your email ID, password and etc, and you have to enter your number of the guardian or a parent. So if you are in the any situation like a dangerous situation, so it will automatically start the video recording of the place, and you can give a call to the number of the guardian which you have stored inside, and it will also locate the GPS location in its database. So it will be easier for the one who are trying to find you out. The next is the doctor safety. So doctor safety is you can say basically a tool which is used for increasing the performance of your phone. It will use for scanning the viruses, the privacy scanner, safety surfing, lost device protection, call text blocking, etc. So it is basically a tool which is used for giving a better performance of your phone by clearing the junk memory, junk files or etc. Now this Kamal Dhamal is nothing but an entertainment file which we need internet, as we have not inserted the SIM card, we will not able to use the internet. And then eyeball OTA, it is used for downloading the updates from the eyeball, we can say the database or something like service. As you can show in it right now, your system is currently up to date, so there is no update for the phone. If any update will be there, it will be come inside the eyeball OTA. Then there are various new tabs like to do and application which are common and comes under all phones. It's the file manager, it comes with the phone storage. It's basically a normal file manager which comes in any Android phone. Okay, so the whole video I was telling about the low budget smartphone, such a low budget smartphone. So you all might be thinking about what low budget, but at what cost? And some of you might have googled it, like what is the price of the phone. So let me tell you the price of the phone. It ranges between 2,800 to 3,000. It is available on the Flipkart. You can find the link in the description below. So for the 3,000 rupees, it's quite a healthy feature. Now I would like to conclude our video just by saying that it's a pretty good low budget smartphone, which I told you earlier, the price range which I told you earlier. The minimum price range of 3,000, you are getting such a good smart looking phone with such a good design. The camera with the flash, the front camera, flip cover, charger, battery, headphones, etc. And we can say that it's giving a good quality, not the greatest of quality, but it's going to give the good quality, means it's enough to capture a day-to-day memories, we can say, in a 3.2 megapixel camera. So it's quite good for the first time users and also for the one who have very less usage of the phone. So that's all about the phone. Now just would like to say that if you like the video, please share it with your friends and other peoples. If you have any doubts related to the video, you can write it in the comment section below, and please do subscribe. This is Sim Reviews saying goodbye. Thank you.